What happened? Go tell Dada to remove it. Tell Dada to remove. Tell Dada please remove.
How do you put this into your butt? Huh? Will it fit? Come on. Okay.
राजा बहुत ज्यादा रो रहा है. Okay.
Come here. I'll take it out. Come. Okay, give me a kitchen. Okay, give me a kitchen first. I need a bribe. Oh, where did it go? Where did the balloon go?
Where did you keep it?
Where did the balloon go?
Where did you keep it?
You see it?
Okay, go throw your diaper in the garbage. Who's going to go throw a diaper in the garbage?
Come on.
Can you Ronnie, full video, you have only one word. Okay, what does a balloon do? What? Balloon did not break. It's there. It's proper. It's intact. Huh? It's balloon is intact. Chale? Ronnie, balloon is good. Chale? Balloon good. Balloon
Here,
big?
here. Come on, go throw it out. Throw this one. Throw this in the garbage. Huh? No. You have to go throw it in the garbage. Come on. Take it.
Ronnie, put it in the garbage. Go.
Put it in the garbage. Come on. It's all your pee.
It's locked, Raj. Go quickly. Go put it in the garbage.
Put it in the garbage. Go. Remember how I showed you to open it with your leg?
He's not going to be able to do it. It's locked. Why are you throwing the balloon on me? It's not opening.
It's not opening? Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Let's open it up. Come on. Put your foot there. Put your foot there. That's right. That's. Put your foot again. Put your foot. That's right. Keep it pressed. Keep it pressed. Correct. Now put it in. Put it in now.
It's locked, Raj.
It's not. Come on, put it in now. Press it with your foot. With your foot. That's right. Now put it in. That's right.
Good job, Ronnie. Thank you. Tatu. Ronnie, what are you supposed to say when I say thank you? What should he say? Tatu. No, after thank you, what should he say? Thank you. No, you're welcome. Are you done with the balloon? Hey, chup! What nonsense is that? You're supposed to share the balloon with Daddy. What are you supposed to do? Ronnie. Oh, Ronnie. Oi, beta. What should you do? You're supposed to share the balloon with Daddy. What should you do? Can you say share? Share. Chale? Share. Share with Daddy. Can you say Daddy share? Give it to Daddy. Share it with Daddy. Daddy, पूछ उसे share करके पूछ.
Come on, give it to him.
Share, Ronnie, share.
Share the balloon with Dada.
Ronnie. Okay. You don't have to share it. Nonsense. It's a bad boy you are, no, Ronnie. You're not going to have any friends. Okay, come on. Say good night. Okay,
Come on,
bye.
give me a hug quickly. Give me a hug. Okay. Thank you. Give me Kijay.
No, good night not for you. Good night just for the video.
Oh,
He still has to have his dudu and all.
okay. Good night. Say good night. Bye.
No, Yaish, no. Now dudu. No, Yaish. Only brown rice and you don't like brown rice. We are moving to brown rice. Yeah, we'll give you dudu. Okay.